Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to archive games on your Nintendo Switch so it saves some space. So what this will do is save the save data for the game information, but it will go ahead and delete the game. So on the home screen here, let's go down to where it says System Settings right here and select it. Scroll on down, go to Data Management, and then we have the option for Quick Archive. It says free up space by archiving the selected software. Okay, let's go to this. Checking for free space. Now you can choose the game. So let's go to a game under here. Let's go to maybe this one, Super Kirby Clash. I've never played this before. We can select it. So we can see the new total right here. So it's going to go to 14.8 gigabytes. We can archive the data. So let's select this. Also, we have the option to delete screenshots and videos for that specific game. If we want to quickly do that, just press X. So let's go to Archive Data. Archiving the following software to free up space. Okay. Only save data in the home menu icon will remain for archived software. You will need to re-download the software again to use it. So our single player progress will be saved on our Nintendo Switch, but the game will be deleted, so we have to re-download it. So let's see if we can find it under here. We'll have to go to all software. If we can't find it under this list, so here it is. It says we need to download from the cloud. So we can find Super Kirby Clash. Otherwise, we can go to re-download software right here. Choose our account. And we should be able to find it under our account list to re-download anything. So this eShop will load. Then we go to re-download and we can find it under here. See if we can find Super Kirby Clash. Okay, so this is what archived games look like on your Nintendo Switch. So you're just saving the save data. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.